Let's start with the problem description. Given an array of integer nums and an integer target, find and return the indices of two numbers in the array such that the sum equals the target. It's guaranteed that there is exactly one solution and each element in the array can be used only once. Let's proceed with an algorithm. First of all, create a map to store the indices of elements as we iterate through the array. Iterate through the array. For each element in the given array, calculate the difference between the target and the current element. Check if this difference exists in the map. It will be our answer if it already exists. And proceed to go through the array if not. I think it will be more clear with example. Let's assume that we have the nums array like this and the target 9. So, let's start. We first create empty dictionary index map. After that, we iterate through nums. Our first element is 2. Calculate the difference. Difference is 7, and no element now is existing in the map index map. So we add 2 to index map with index 0. Iterate through array further. The second element is 7. Calculate the difference. Target minus our element is 2. And we can find 2 in our map. So return 0 and 1 indexes of our numbers as a solution, and it's end of iteration. Let's proceed with coding. Run toSum function only for logging. Let's proceed with our toSum function. Create a map to store indices of element. The key will be integer and the value will be integer as well. Iterate through the array nums and calculate the difference between the target and the current element. Check if the complement exists in the map. And if complement exists, return the indices of the two numbers. I and index. If it's not exist, add the current element and its index to the map to further iteration. And return null, it's guaranteed that there is exactly one solution, so need for error handling. Let's debug it. First iteration, the mark is empty, complement is 7, no in the map. The second iteration, complement is 2, 2 is in our map, so we return two indexes 0 and 1. That's all. Let's submit our solution to ensure that it's correct.